Sunday. I am about to make us breakfast, and as you see, we still have a bunch of bananas. So I'm gonna make, I think, banana pancakes this morning, just so we can start using some of these bananas up. So freaking cold this morning, you guys. I felt like yesterday it wasn't that cold in the evening, like it just started getting colder and colder, but throughout the night I feel like the temperatures dropped so much. I was about to turn on the heater. Oh yeah, it's saying it's freaking 44 degrees. But I also need to make coffee, and I'm about to make some. I got this new coffee. I love French vanilla creamer, but I don't know how I felt about the French vanilla coffee. So I tried it, and it's actually really good, and Philip likes it too. Very different. I feel like it's light and just has a nice taste to it, and with milk and sugar it's just like so good by itself. But if you have like French vanilla creamer in here, even better. So let's go ahead and make some cafecito so that can be, you know, on the way cooking. I mean, yeah, on the way being made while we start on our pancakes. Good job, buddy.
Nana.
Put it in here.
Yeah.
Come on, help me. Good. Okay, now we're gonna mix it.
Pancake.
Pancakes.
Okay. Okay. Just do it. Okay. Daddy.
You want
Guys, if you were wondering what I'm doing with these bananas, I'm gonna freeze them.
also thinking about making a salsa recipe in this video because I need salsa. This one, you guys, it's very simple. So we're just gonna need 3 ripe Roma tomatoes. The darker the red, the more ripe they are and the better that they're gonna taste. So we want them really ripe. We're gonna get 2 garlic cloves. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut these in half and start frying them up. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the pancakes. I'm just gonna like butter the pan now. A little pro tip, you guys, if you want to take this salsa like to the next level, which is what I really wanted to do, but I just don't have any more chiles, is chile seco, the chile de árbol. That in here is so good. It makes the salsa so delicious. That's what I was gonna make, but I actually don't have any anymore. I need to put those on my grocery list. Hi. Hi. Say hi, guys. Zoe poop. Yeah. This is how Malachi comes and chills with me every day. Zoe.
This is very great.
but now I'm gonna put cilantro in here because you already know I love cilantro in my salsas. Add a little bit of salt. Un limoncito. And now I'm gonna blend this, you guys, and the salsa is gonna be done and ready for our breakfast. Soba. Okay, guys, so Zoe is sunbathing outside and she's falling asleep like a little old lady. Anyways, what was I gonna tell y'all? I think I'm gonna make weenies again today. Fry up some of these weenies. You guys, not me crying right now, because I just saw on Instagram that Vicente Fernandez passed away. And this little boy right here is tearing up the cilantro. Oh my god. Little breakfast for Sunday morning. We got eggs with cheese for Philip with fried weenies, our banana pancakes, and of course cafecito. But we're gonna enjoy our breakfast. You guys, I just cleaned the fridge and like just with like gunk everywhere that was, you know what I'm saying, like just trash. And I also changed and put my hair up because it was getting on my nerves. Because now it's time to, you know, get down and dirty and clean. Because the kitchen's a mess. Literally a mess. Like, we got to wash all those dishes, clean the floors, mop, you know, all that stuff. That way, like, later on I can just chill and, like, edit. I have a few videos I want to edit for, like, you know, like, reels and stuff like that. So, I want to just chill this evening and edit. So I'm about to start putting up my salsa that we made earlier. It was super, super spicy, you guys. The jalapenos really got me. I like putting my salsas in glass jars. My grandma taught me that one. Always would put her salsas in like the Nescafe glass jars from Mexico. You know what I'm talking about? And she would always tell me because the glass prevents it from like getting moldy. In there, our little roasted salsa, fried, I guess, not roasted, but it's super delicious. Make a smoothie, right? We're gonna be banana girl right now, using up these bananas. And Philip said that he makes a better smoothie than me and he wants to make it. So we're gonna let him make the licuado for us today, and let's see what he does. Let's see how he makes his delicious licuado. I just got done doing the dishes. Woohoo! I was just cleaning these little energy drinks, and Philip is over here getting all the ingredients for his licuado. So let's see. I see. What is that? Sugar and Nutella? No wonder his licuado is gonna taste good. Here's your blender, sir. No wonder his licuado is gonna taste good, you guys.
Or should I just use this?
That's what I use. That has already the sweetness.
I think this is too thick. Papa, you want to help?
Malachi's gonna help.
Thanks, fast.
He's Mr. Smoothie. He stays with making fresh smoothie.
Don't fit in there. Good job. Okay.
Yeah, I am.
It's just really good for your, isn't it for your cholesterol or your heart? Something?
And blood sugar.
Blood sugar.
And hormones.
Well, that. Come on. Good job.
Come on, good job.
A little bit more.
Whoa.
Oh, it's too much.
It made him sneeze. He likes pouring that.
Come on. Look. For this.
Good job. Isn't he cute?
Get it. I don't know if you can handle that one.
No, I don't think he can.
Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. Clean it up right now.
Here, pour it.
Come on, help daddy.
Here, pour it. Whoa.
Yay!
Alright, you got the top.
Fill up with the ice.
Alright. Do the honors. Let's start.
Good job.
Let's see. I'm excited. I haven't made me a licuado in 10 years. Where's your straw? Alright, you tell us first if it's good.
Is it good? Is it good? Yeah.
He wants to go outside. Let me see.
Pour us up the glass. What?
I think it needs more sugar, but and I feel like the chocolate kind of takes over.
Let's see.
Like maybe we got too much chocolate.
It's good. Good, babe. You make the best licuado. I'll leave the recipe down below, you guys, so y'all can try his licuado. It's really good.
Hey, this is right here.
That's mama.
I feel like I made some better before. This is not my best.
We are actually getting my my SIM card right now from Xfinity Mobile, and I brought a little read in case we're here long, but I'm actually getting hungry now. Open it. Wow, is that your pizza? Wow. Let's see, this is Mama's. Ooh, yes. Guys, we just got home and I'm seriously gonna devour this pizza. But you guys, I'm so sore. I feel like I can barely walk. Like, I feel like I'm waddling because yesterday's workout was so freaking good. I did leg day, we did hip thrusts, we did squats and everything because Philip and the baby knocked out. So I had all that time. And that workout was so good. I didn't even bring the camera out, you guys, because I was just like focused. And then today I feel so sore. So I'm definitely going to enjoy this pizza now. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.